I'm Jim Price with Comfortable Homes in Bridgewater. For more than 14 years, we've been maintaining, repairing, servicing, and replacing cooling and heating systems. I believe we have the best single solution to combat many problem contaminants within your home, including viruses, bacteria, mold spores, pollen, dust, dander, smoke, odors, VOCs, just to name a few. You buy a home for your family, you move your stuff in, you settle in. Your children go off to school. You go off to work. You interact with other people. And everyone brings home some hitchhikers. Sharing your home with all kinds of nasty stuff is never a good idea. You could protect your family and your home from these indoor contaminants: viruses, bacteria, mold spores, dust, dander, and pollen. Why do we consider this the best whole house air purifier? Well, first of all, it kills 99% of most viruses, bacteria, and mold spores. It helps remove pollen, dust, dander, and smoke odors from your home. The main advantage of this system is it does not need the pollutants to travel to the air handler for UV treatment or filtration, like many of our competitive products. It is proactive. It sends aggressive advanced oxidizers into the room to seek out and destroy the pollutants at the source, in the air, on surfaces, before they can reach your family, your pets, your clients, or your employees, without the use of chemicals. Rather than waiting for airborne microbes to get drawn into your duct system to destroy them, like other products on the market, this process actually distributes advanced oxidative purifiers, H2O2, to every cubic foot of air in your home. Dangerous microbes are neutralized in the air as well as on surfaces within your home without the use of harmful chemicals. The effectiveness has been tested and third-party verified. You'll be able to click a link to request those test results on our website. This proven advanced oxidative technology has been around for over 30 years. More than 1 million systems are currently in use around the world today. The technology is licensed to many Fortune 500 companies to use in the medical field, food handling, military, residential, commercial, marine, hospitality, and government applications. Various products have been tested and approved by the U.S. military, Chinese government, Japanese government, Canadian government, and the European Union. This technology, because of its ability to kill bacteria and viruses on surfaces and in the air throughout your home, has been specified in the Norwalk MRSA Protection Plan of America's largest restaurant chains, hotel chains, theme parks, cruise lines, public schools, and hospitals. In nature, the sun sends UV light down to the earth. The UV rays interact with the elements in the atmosphere, combining H2O, water, and oxygen, O2, molecules, forming an H2O2 hydroperoxide molecule. Hydroperoxide molecules in the atmosphere help prevent viruses, bacteria, mold, and other microorganisms from growing out of control in the environment. The sun doesn't shine inside your home, so these microbes and bacteria are protected. Hydroperoxide, H2O2, kills 99% of viruses, bacteria, and mold spores and germs in the air and on surfaces, every place in your home that your duct system can reach. Many household cleaners now use hydrogen peroxide products. They're effective, they're safer than chlorine products. Packaging clearly states it kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. Our natural solution is safe, reliable, offers continuous protection, it's non-invasive, and there's low maintenance. This air purifier is professionally installed in your home's duct system by a licensed installer. We keep some product on hand just to go out and take care of your needs. This is safe as water, H2O. It's fresh as air, sunshine. The UV system reacts to light with a catalyst within your ductwork. It converts the water, H2O, and oxygen, O2, to form hydroperoxide, H2O2, just like in nature. This award-winning in-duct purifier reduces odors, air pollutants, by purifying every cubic inch of air in your central air conditioning system wherever your ducts can reach. It's effective against all three categories of indoor air pollutants, particulates, microbials, and gases. You can now reduce common allergy triggers from particulates such as pollen, mold, dander, and dust. Thoroughly tested to reduce airborne and surface bacteria and viruses such as MRSA, E. coli, Norwalk virus, and more. Say goodbye to odors from cooking, pets, dirty socks, diaper pails, and musty rooms. It's like bringing fresh outdoor air inside without having to open a window. You can create germ-free air indoors, just like nature creates outdoors. This in-duct solution protects your family, your pets, and your home, killing 99% of germs, bacteria, and viruses on the surfaces and in the air. It's tested by the Kansas State University testing facility. RGF products are not medical devices and they make no medical claims, but they still reduce allergens, dust, dander, smoke. They're used in government buildings, hotels, hospitals, schools, homes, worldwide. Patented technology is tested, validated, and proven. And we've passed the sneeze test. A testing protocol concept was used, which included a sneeze simulation machine and a sneeze chamber. A sneeze can travel up to 100 miles an hour, so lung capacity, sneeze pressure, and liquid volume had to be taken into consideration to properly simulate a human sneeze. This was accomplished and the test proceeded with outstanding results. An average of 99% reduction of sneeze germs was achieved with the system in a double-blind test at 3 feet from the sneeze source. A separate video can be found on our website and viewed about this testing protocol and about the test itself if you choose. You can also download the test data from our website, as well as the test data for many of the viruses and bacteria that are killed. Military approved. This system is U.S. military approved for mold reduction in field hospitals. U.S. and international hospitals approved for the fight against infectious diseases. They show a 99% reduction in staph infection and MRSA. Major U.S. city school reports 20% reduction in absenteeism. Approved by the Chinese government for protection against the deadly SARS virus, COVID-2. It's approved for USDA, FSIS, and FDA for use in food processing plants. It's employed to reduce microbial contamination of food being processed, partnered with Costco, Tyson, Butterboro, and more. Disney Cruise Lines use it as a safety measure to protect against Norwalk virus outbreaks. Hydroperoxides have been a common part of our environment for over 3.5 billion years. There is no known case of hydroperoxides ever creating a health risk. For more than 30 plus years, over 1 million RGF advanced oxidative products have been successfully used worldwide without any safety issues. Ionized hydroperoxides are very effective at destroying harmful microbials in the air and on surfaces wherever your duct system can reach. As oxidants, they do this by either destroying the microbe through a process known as cell lysing, or by changing its molecular structure and rendering it harmless, as in the case of VOCs and odors. The amount of hydroperoxides required to accomplish this task in an air-conditioned space is well below the level that is in the outside air. Typical outdoor levels of hydroperoxides run between 0.01 parts per million and 0.03 parts per million. This induct system can bring the hydroperoxide level in a home up to no more than 0.02 parts per million. This is well below the EPA safety guidelines of 1 parts per million. Now, most people ask the question, can this accumulate in my home? And the answer is no. And the reason is because this is a very unstable molecule. Hydrogen peroxide decomposes after being exposed to the air and light. That's why when they ship it in a brown bottle. The hydroperoxide generated by this system in your home is only going to last about 6 to 8 minutes before it reverts back to oxygen and water. So the opportunity for accumulation in the home does not exist. RGF manufactures over 500 environmental products, has over 34 years of history providing the world with the safest air, safest water, and food without the use of chemicals. RGF is an ISO 9001, 2015 certified research and innovation company. They hold numerous patents for wastewater treatment systems, air purifying devices, and food sanitation. Situated in the heart of Port of Palm Beach, Florida, Enterprise Zone, RGF headquarters span 7.5 acres with 106,000 square feet of manufacturing facility, warehouse, and office facilities, allowing the company to provide the highest quality and best engineered products on the market. Comfortable Homes is a licensed installer whose trained technicians can professionally install your whole house purification system in your ductwork. You can go to our website for more information. You can give us a call at 908-642-8394 or go to comfortablehomes.com, our website. We look forward to hearing from you so we can get started today giving you purer, fresher air.